Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of February, as well as giving away one of the items to one of you. I don't even know which one yet. I don't even actually remember what's even in here. So we find out. Both of us will find out. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. You know I do giveaways a lot here on this channel. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of February. It is the ColourPop Cabana Club palette. Good thing I'm showing you mine. I don't know if you saw this when I started to lift this up, but this shade just here just fell apart and broke everywhere. It was kind of a yellow shade. But this is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below. Under current giveaways, I'll talk about how to enter that one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. And somewhere in this giveaway is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So Ipsy is a beauty subscription, makeup, skincare, and the Glam bag, which is $13. It's mainly deluxe size items. Every once in a while you will find a full size in there, as well as a makeup bag. I do have a code for Ipsy if you'd like to use it. It'll help you save a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. The code is in the description box down below, and it's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. So let's dive into this Glam bag. It's $13. Here's what the cute little bag looks like. It has a little heart pull that does say Ipsy on it. And it says, full of hearts, swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your fave rom-com treat this month as an invitation to fill your hearts with love. I'm going to grab my glasses because this font is very small. So the first item in here is from 3 Ships. It is their Dewdrops Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid plus Vitamin C Serum. It's a hyaluronic acid, also known as a super hydrator, and Tremella Mushroom helps the skin-loving serum pack a powerful punch, and it helps replenish moisture deep within your skin while helping to firm, plump, a majorly brighten thanks to vitamin C rich Kata plum extract. Tip, smooth a few drops onto skin and neck until it's absorbed. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $22. That is from M.a.c Cosmetics. Is a Prep Prime Fix. I really do like this spray. It is the holy grail of setting sprays. This mist hydrates, refreshes, and smooths the skin. Thank you, green tea, Camilla, and cucumber extracts, and helps your makeup in place for up to 12 hours for a smooth, flawless wear. Which is a dinky one, but looks like this. So a tip is before after makeup, hold the bottle 12 inches from your face and gently spray all over. The full size of this does retail for $30. So from Peak Beauty is Eyes Will Stay Natural Long Wear Eyeshadow. This pretty eyeshadow gives you the best of both worlds, the staying powder of a powder and the soft velvety feel of a cream thanks to the blend of nourishing plant extracts like sunflower seed oil and coffee oil. Tip, sweep it onto your lids using your favorite eyeshadow brush. Full size does retail for $19. I don't want to unseal it because I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'm going to do this in a giveaway or future on, or what I'm going to do. You can see the picture here. If you guys watched my latest product empties video, I talked about this item. This is Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, thanks to a probiotic derived complex, a proprietary blend of lactobacillus, fermenting lysate, and other probiotics. This overnight mask will strengthen your skin's moisture barrier, protect it from external aggressors, and improve its tone and clarity while you sleep. Tip: before bed, slather a generous layer on your skin on the last step of your routine. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size does retail for $25. I have used it, absolutely loved it. And this is great for like a little travel bag. Last item in here is a full-size product. It is from Tradeless Beauty. It's an intense liner in Royal. 13 hours, that's how long this matte blue eyeliner will last without smearing, smudging, or transferring. The creamy gel formula can be used on your waterline or lash line to define detail and add dimension to your eyes. Tip for the best and most precise applicator: always sharpen the tip before use. Does retail for $24. It's really pretty, kind of a cobalt blue. So I thought it was a pretty good bundle. I do like that they have kind of an even mixture between makeup and skincare. So what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word is heart. So let's give away that Peak eyeshadow. I would love, I don't use single eyeshadows that often, and I really love to pass this on to somebody who I know who will love it. So in the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You make sure to put on it if you are subscribed to the channel, which you must be, and also that secret word. So you can get bonus entries. You can get 3 extra bonus entries. One, if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me over on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. So that's 3 extra entries for you to win. So just mark on the Google form that you did do those bonus entries. If you did do so, make sure you do, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through March 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on March 16th, I'll upload a video and we will show all the giveaway winners from the prior month. And so what I do is I'll take your first name, first initial of your last name from the Google form, and if you have bonus entries, I'll put those into the computer as well. The computer spins them all around, the computer picks it, we all see it, and since the computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask to win. As soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information or anything like that. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.